Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos, the rest is just mayhem. And welcome to today's tutorial where I'm going to show you how to do a magic ring and how to work into a magic ring. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be working in 6 single crochet just to show you how to make it up. So let's get started, shall we? The magic ring is rather simple. How I make it is I pinch the yarn and I wrap it around 2 of my fingers 3 times, like so. So there's the bottom and there's the top. Right, I get my hook, I insert them into the second loop, hook round, pull through the 3rd loop and then over like so. Then I'm going to chain 1. If you don't know how to chain, I do have a YouTube tutorial on how to chain, so please do go check that out. Now for a single crochet into a magic ring, we're going to go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. That's 1. So into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Just going to do that closer so you can see. Again. It's that simple. So there's 6 single crochet into our magic ring. Now pull this little tail and your magic ring will close. Then if you are continuing the row to work all the way around, which is quite often in amigurumi, probably butchered that word, but just insert your hook into the 1st stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And there you are, it's continuous now. What we would usually do at this point is you would place a stitch marker here so you know where you started the round. And it is as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. If there's anything that you're struggling with as well with crochet that you would like to see a tutorial on, please do comment it in the comment section below and I will try to get around to making a tutorial on how to do that. So, thanks for watching. And if you do subscribe as well, I do alternate. So one week I do a basic stitch tutorial, the next week I do a full pattern tutorial. So yes, please do stay tuned for that and I hope to see you next week. Bye!